Hey, everybody, Debbi Starr here. So I'm your business strategist, especially for those women entrepreneurs who want that business that fits into their life, not run you into the ground. If that's you, give me a thumbs up. So have you ever looked at the tech tools like GoHighLevel and you think, wow, this looks amazing, but it also looks complicated? I hear you. Well, the good news today, I'm going to show you how I use GoHighLevel in the simplest way possible to be able to create just a basic landing page for your free offer. Good news, you can create it as a template and use it over and over again, and how to connect it to a very simple Google Doc that becomes your sales page. And then on the back end, set up a no fuss automation that will deliver the freebie and invite your leads to take action. Now, here's the deal. You don't have to be techie to do this, and I'm going to show you exactly how. All right. So I'm just going to show you a couple of samples on how to create a simple lead magnet inside of GoHighLevel. I use their drag and drop builder. It keeps getting better and better every single day. And then just build in the back end. So let me share my screen here, and I'll just show you behind the scenes how I actually set these things up. Okay, I think you can see my screen now. So here's, I'll show you the front end, then I'll show you the back end. Here's a very simple lead magnet, um, calling out who I'm talking to, and then what is it that I'm offering. Okay, so this daily marketing checklist, and it also digs into a little bit of the pain point without the overwhelm and guesswork. Gives a nice little picture here, invites people to click the button and download it. Now, on this one, I have the video down below. I know a lot of my people don't like getting in front of the camera, but especially with AI nowadays, the more real you are, the more conversion you're going to have. So get over being on the camera. I'll create some videos to help you with that. But I always like to have a video that kind of showcases what it is that I'm offering, and then three main reasons why they need it. Now, if I was to redo this, I would actually move this section up to the top, which is super easy to do. And I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And again, invite them to download that. And then just a quick little call to action here. Okay, so that's one example. Another example, here I have the video on the top, again, telling them what it is they're going to get and inviting them to watch that short video, and then grab the spreadsheet. So here, once they see that thing in action, they want it, right? So you're giving them value, but then you're inviting them to that to fill out the information so they can grab that freebie. So what does it look behind the scenes? So here is a very simple funnel builder. I'm just going to open this up so you can see it. And excuse me. Basically, these are built in what we call sections. So I usually like to, as I'm building the page, have a different background color for each section. That just kind of helps draw the eye down on the page. Now, remember here, this section, I said if I did it over again, I would move it up. And all I have to do over here on the left, if I hover over and I see that little green, notice those little up and down arrows. If I click that up arrow, here it is. It moved it to the top. Okay. How easy is that? You can do this. So this is super simple. So there's my video and the main three things they're going to get. More details, call to action. So after that happens, what do we do? Let me come up here to the top and save this because I do like having the video on the top, and I'll hit publish. Then what happens after that? So after that, it just takes them to a thank you page here. And I'll just preview this so you can see it. This is basically a generic thank you page in the sense of congrats. Make sure you check your inbox, check your spam folder, and then I invite them to watch another video. So the whole idea is this is the hottest moment that you'll have with this cold lead. So give them something of value. Don't just talk. So in this video, I just talk about identifying the main pain points and helping them make a little more progress. And then I invite them for a free strategy chat. I could also invite them to a Google Doc, which I'll show you in just a minute, that talks more about the offer. So if I could, I could say something like, need more help, or you want to fast track this whole process, click here, learn more. All right. So it's that simple. What I love about using kind of a generic thank you page here is, again, let me pop back over here. You can just reuse it. So this whole little funnel, just clone it and change out a few little things, and you're ready to go for your second one. Then on the back end, how do we deliver this? You just come over here to the left under automations. And I should have brought this up ahead of time. Do I have a Let me see if I can find a quick little automation here. And again, I get it. You're not techie. Some of this stuff is overwhelming. If you're inside of my Digital Business Academy group, I give you these templates so that you can just hit the ground running. I also build for people. So if you just want to take it off your plate completely, reach out and I can do that for you. So this is a very simple little automation. A trigger is basically what starts it. And then I tag them so that I know that, okay, this person opted in for my daily marketing, and then an email that goes out with the link. And on that link, then they can download it. So, I mean, how easy is that? Now, I also talked about on the, if I wanted to invite them to learn more about the offer that I have, a Google Doc. I am really pushing this with my people because what I'm seeing is people get stuck in the weeds with doing all of the technology, and they never get anything done. So here's the secret. You don't need complicated funnels. You don't need a lot of fancy stuff. If your offer is on the mark, in other words, are you solving a painful problem for your people? You show them that you can do it, then they're going to raise their hand and say, yes, I'm in. So why not create a simple little Google Doc that talks about your offer, how it's going to transform their life, and give them the price. Let's get over this hiding the price until you get on a phone call or Zoom meeting, all that kind of stuff. That is so outdated. The beautiful thing about listing the price is it gets rid of those tire kickers. And if price truly is an issue, they're not your ideal people. Okay. So here, this was an early bird that I was offering. So I actually had 3 different price points here, letting them know, take action while you can, and then just the link to check out. So it can't get much simpler than that, right? So, so let me reiterate here. To use a powerful tool like GoHighLevel, take it in baby steps. All right. You don't have to build complicated funnels. Do a very simple landing page. And then from there, the automations on the back end are very simple. It's going to deliver that wonderful thing that you have for them. And then, you can build a simple little email nurturing thing and invite them to step closer to you. Your sales page, don't be wasting time, energy, getting stuck in the weeds. Just create a Google Doc. The beautiful thing about that also is it's a good way to validate your offer. So instead of spending weeks and thousands of dollars building out this complicated funnel, put your sales page out there. See if you get any takers. You can always dress it up. You can make it very sophisticated down the road when you're servicing hundreds of people at a time. Chances are you would be excited just with 1 or 2, right? And then you can go from there. All right. Is that making sense? And then, of course, the back end automation, super simple. Now, one thing is you might be thinking, well, what is a good lead magnet that I can offer? No worries. Let me share my screen and show you what else I have here. I have a custom GPT and it's called the Magnet Maker, the sales ready lead generator. So it has some little beginning sentences here. So I could click the first one, who's your ideal client? Or I might say, tell me about the pain point that your dream client. Doesn't matter where you start, just pick one of these. And the beautiful thing about this GPT, it will walk you through step by step. So here it's saying, okay, so let's start out. Who do you help? Who's your dream client? Who are they? What stage of business and so forth? Not going to go through all the questions, but this will take you step by step by step. And at the end, good old GPT here will give you some suggestions and help you build out that awesome lead magnet. I tell you, can it get any simpler? So don't let technology keep you stuck in the weeds. Okay. If you want to get on the easy street, then sign up for GoHighLevel using my affiliate link. Or if you're already got GoHighLevel, you can up level. So that you're under my affiliate link, or you can join Digital Business Academy, and then you get all of these goodies included in your membership. Plus, you get me. You get tech support whenever you need it. I'm in the group, in the membership there, so you just reach out and I can walk you through it. Okay, so I will put the links in the comments below. There's no excuse. Get started. Put your offer out there. Let the world know how you can help them. Don't get hung up, and use this beautiful tool, GoHighLevel. I can't remember if I told you this, but it's a 14-day free trial. If you haven't jumped in, you can use my link for that, and let's get you going. Now, if I can simplify things then you can do it. That's what my wheelhouse is, taking something very complicated and stripping it down. So let me know what kinds of videos will be helpful to you. What kinds of non-techie tutorials is going to help you move your business forward? If you are a Go High Level, what are you stuck with? Let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to create some videos. Anyway, hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.